Kuya Jerry, thank you so much for sharing the blessings. Bye-bye, grocery. Bye-bye, tissue. Tissue. Bye-bye, coffee. Yeah, coffee, Kuya Jerry. And crispy fries.
Araw-araw na kain.
Gulaman. Super bawang. Baking soda. And I buy sitanghon. Close up. I buy close up. And I buy all purpose. Pansit. Pancake. And I buy sorbet swamp. And I buy ubi. Milk.
Yung kalulutuin yung ulam.
Rino. And then I buy Alaska. Thank you so much, Kuya Jerry, for sharing blessings. God bless you more. Please don't forget like and subscribe to Kuya Jerry channel, YouTube channel, Kuya Jerry Vlog Texas.